If you are a Game of Thrones fans and you are a sneakerhead, there are two dates that you have to watch out for. First, April 14. That's where the last season of Game of Thrones airs. The trailer is already out. I will put the link down below just in case you guys haven't seen it yet. Then second date that you guys have to watch out for, March 22. That's when the Adidas Game of Thrones Ultra Boost collaboration drops. 6 sneakers. 6 amazing sneakers will be dropping inspired by different houses and prominent character groups of Game of Thrones. For this vlog, we will be talking about those sneakers and I will be sharing as well which one I would pick if I were going to pick up a pair. Let's go! Before we get started with the vlog, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is a premium men's accessories maker based out of Australia. I love the stuff that they have. One of the things that I've been rocking lately is this grenade necklace, boom, that they shipped over here. So make sure that you guys check out all of the products that they have. Amazing quality, great designs, and the best thing about it is that they were able to hook you up with a 25% discount. All you guys have to do is to check the link down below, and yeah, just go to it and the page will have all the different products already with a discount. The Adidas Game of Thrones collaboration features the Ultra Boost 4.0 in 6 designs, 6 different colorways inspired by prominent Game of Thrones characters, houses, or groups. I actually did an early review already of one of the sneakers on this list, which is the Targaryen's Dragons. I will put the link down below in the description box as well as the comment section of that on-feet review, just in case you guys haven't watched it yet. Make sure that you check it out after finishing this vlog. The 6 houses or character groups are as follows. You have the Night's Watch, you have the White Walkers, you have House Targaryen, you have Targaryen's Dragons, you have House Stark, and obviously you have House Lannister. Those are the 6 houses or character groups that have inspired the designs of the sneakers. What we'll be doing for the next few minutes is we will be talking about each design and I will be sharing my thoughts on each sneaker. First up, we have the Night's Watch. Of course, for this particular sneaker, it features black prime knit with white detailing, including that white fuse overlay at the toe box, which helps not just with the durability and structure of the shoe, but it also protects your toes, especially when you are running or doing athletic activities. It also has a black leather cage around the sides of the stripes of the sneaker, gives it an excellent premium touch. And lastly, Night's Watch is written on the tag at the back of the sneaker. Actually, you'll find that all the sneakers have that tag at the back with different writings, respective to the house or character group that it is representing. Next up, we have the White Walkers, of course led by the Night King. This one features white prime knit, but this is the nice thing about it, it has icy blue accents. You have it on the fuse overlay toe box, you have it on the heel counter, and you also have it on the cage, which gives it fantastic contrast and color. They also used black for the 3 stripes, which is on top of the icy blue cage, which just makes it even pop some more. At the back of the tag, you have "Winter is here" written on it. The next sneaker is probably one of the cleanest, easiest to wear, and definitely the sneaker that I will try my best to get a hold on. This is the House Targaryen sneaker. It's the cleanest because it's literally all white. So it's all white with the cream cage, with a cream heel counter, and it has silver stripes along the side to give it extra oomph. What the great thing about this is just, it's going to be really the easiest and most versatile sneaker among the bunch. So if you want to get like the most bang for your buck, the most value for money in terms of usage, this is the pair that you guys pick up, because at the end of the day, it's just a white sneaker with silver stripes. Now, it does have Fire and Blood written on the back. Speaking of Targaryen, we now go to Targaryen's Dragons. This is the one that I reviewed already, so make sure that you guys check the link down below. This one is dominantly black for the back up until the middle, then it transitions the color into a fiery breath of dragon fire all the way near the toe box. This one also features a leather cage and a black on black Ultra Boost heel counter. So the plate that you see at the back, which usually has Ultra Boost written in a different color, opposed to the plate color, this one is all black and black, which just looks so kick-ass. Also has Fire and Blood written on the tag at the back. Then we have House Stark. The color that they use for this one is stone gray, which is very, yeah, that looks like Winterfell. But anyway, it's gray with black accents. You have the black fuse overlay, you have the black stripes, you have the black heel counter, and it has winter is coming written at the back of the tag. Last but not the least, we have House Lannister. This one of the loudest sneakers in the group. It features red prime knit with gold stripes along the heel and white boost for the midsole. Definitely a loud sneaker, but the great thing about this, if you take a look at the tag at the back, it says "Hear Me Roar," which is of course a throwback or a call out to the lion emblem of the Lannister house. So those are the 6 sneakers of the Adidas Game of Thrones Ultra Boost collaboration. If you will ask me, the top 3, in my opinion, again, it can differ depending on our individual tastes and the state of our current sneaker collection. My number 1 pick would definitely be House Targaryen, the all-white, super versatile, super clean. Then it would be House Lannister, the loudest one, the craziest one in the collection. And my third one would probably be Targaryen's Dragon. So those are the 3 that I would pick. What about you guys? Please do let me know down below in the comment section. I would love to hear from you on which of the 6 you would cop. Now, the next few details are unconfirmed for the Philippines, but from what I've researched and what I've heard, it will be available starting March 22nd locally, and it will be sold for your standard Ultra Boost SRP, which is anywhere from 8,900 to 9,300 pesos, which is great value for money because that's the usual price that you pay for an Ultra Boost anyway. Now, before we wrap up and end, let me just share with you guys my latest Game of Thrones haul. Now, this obviously isn't sneakers. You guys guessed it, they're toys. In fact, they are Funko Pops. So I was able to get the latest Game of Thrones on the throne, like Funko Pop. There are 5 of them. You have different characters who sit on the Iron Throne. So this one, you have the Night King, the leader, of course, of the White Walkers, sitting on the throne over here. So that's the first one that I have. The next one is Tyrion Lannister on the throne, holding a wine cup. That is so typical Tyrion. So this is the second Funko Pop that I was able to get. I bought most of these. I actually bought all of them over at Philbars in Podium Mall. So if you guys haven't been there, they have a nice store there that's called Multiverse. That's where I actually bought the giant Infinity Gauntlet that you guys see at the back. And that's where I actually also bought this other Infinity Gauntlet, which I did a review on, which also lights up. Woo! Nice. Link to the review of this one can be found down below, just in case you guys haven't seen it yet. So we also have Cersei Lannister on the Iron Throne over here with her Queen Regent crown on top of her head. We also have, of course, Jon Snow. You cannot have the Iron Throne conversation without Jon Snow with his fur coat, his sword, of course, over there. And lastly, we have, and of course, Daenerys Targaryen over here on the Iron Throne with that dragon-like link chain across her chest. That looks really nice. So yeah, these are the 5 new Game of Thrones Funko Pops that just came out, which feature different characters that are most likely or have a chance of sitting at the Iron Throne. The Funko Pops are a bit expensive. They sell for 1,600 pesos. Definitely pricey, or 1,650 pesos. But hey, if you are a Game of Thrones fan, and you are collecting, definitely one of the best set of Funko Pops, apart from the Dragon series that you guys can pick up from Funko Pop related to Game of Thrones, at least in my opinion. Hopefully I get to complete all 6 sneakers of the Adidas Game of Thrones pack. I'd love to display them here in the back in the same way that I am able to display my Adidas Dragon Ball Z collaboration set, the complete set over there at the back. That would be really nice with the Funko Pops that I just bought. So hopefully that happens. But man, 8,900 times 3, that's $1,000 at least. Whew, pricey. Anyway, that's it for the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do have a great weekend. Have a great week, whatever day it is that you guys are watching this. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.